Recording is in progress, right?
So, hello everyone, good morning. I am Nitin from Anviz Shanghai. I'll be your host today for the webinar, and my colleague Martina would be assisting you with the question and answer session in the box. So, today we have our partner SolvIT from Kosovo. Mr. Miftari would be representing them, and I'll be representing Anviz. And I'm going to give you a short introduction about Anviz and about our access control and time and attendance solutions for 2022. Moving forward, first, I'll be giving you a short introduction about Anviz, as I mentioned. Secondly, I'll be talking about outdoor compact access control and versatile time and attendance devices, that is our C2 series. Thirdly, I'll be speaking about our cloud-based access control for small and medium and modern businesses, that is the W series. At the end, I'll be talking a bit about our access control and time attendance management software, that is Crosschecks. Also, with the webinar, at the end of this webinar, we'll be having a lucky draw in which one of the attendees today would be winning a prize. That is one of the devices that you would be getting for free testing. Once I'll do the lucky draw, your name would be picked up, and then you can contact our partner, SolvIT, to get the devices directly. So I think we are okay to start. And in between, I'll be giving some time for the question and answers. And let's start first about Anviz. So Anviz, actually, we are a global leader in the smart security industry. We are one of the leading providers of the biometrics, video surveillance, intelligent smart home and smart building solutions. We are in the industry for past 17 years. We have our presence in more than 100 countries. We have successfully completed more than 200,000 projects. The above pictures that you can see are our offices. The first one is our US sales office. The second one is our China office. That is our R&D department and also our headquarters. The third one is a manufacturing based, which is nearby Shanghai, where we do all our productions. Speaking more about Anviz, like I said, we are a leading provider. So we do not call ourselves as just a manufacturer, whereas we are focusing on the commercial security products, solutions, and services. At the current moment, we have two product lines. The first one is the access control and time attendance management solution. The second one is smart surveillance management solutions. Today, I'll be talking about the access control and time attendance. In case you have any queries or requirements about our smart surveillance solutions, please contact SolvIT and they will be assisting you with that. Talking about this thing, so we actually have successfully installed more than 200,000 devices, and we have served different industries like corporates, educational institutes, medical facilities, manufacturing units. These are some of the trusted customers that Anviz has. Secondly, I'll move forward now towards the products. As I said, I've finished with the short introduction because most of you might already know about Anviz devices and Anviz factory. So we'll start with the C2 series. That is our outdoor compact access control and versatile time and attendance devices. So these devices are actually IP65. They have a mobile access. These are some of the key features, each of which I would be describing in the coming slides. First one. So C2 series, we started early this year. Before that, we only had the C2 Pro, which was a device specially designed to meet the European market project requirements. So this device was quite popular in some of the projects that we did in Europe. And understanding the popularity of this device, we came up with the C2 series. The series includes 4 models at the moment, that is C2 Pro, C2 Slim, C2 SR, and C2 KA. The first thing we did with the new devices is that we made some of the modifications. The thing was this, speaking about the CPU. With the latest CPU, the performance has increased up to 30%, and also the user capacity is 10,000. We can actually have a log of 100,000 logs. So this is the series that we have installed in this year. Another added function is the regular C2 Pro only supported the EM card, that is the 125 kilohertz EM card, and we had an optional for the MiFi card. But with the current devices, they actually support both the frequencies, that is, they support the 125 and the 13.56 megahertz RFID. It also includes MiFi Plus, Desfire, MiFi Ultra, Felicia, and EM. And also we are focusing on the NFC that is to be introduced in the coming months. I think the first quarter of 2023 we are targeting for the device to also have the NFC feature. So as compared to the older devices, right now you can just buy the one device and have access to all the cards without an optional. Moving forward, we're going to talk about the biometrics on card for the GDPR. This is again a requirement for the European market where you are located. So as per the European data privacy management regulations, you're aware that all the personal biometric data cannot be stored on a terminal device. Understanding this and the request from the market, we actually came up with Anviz Biometrics on card technology that actually is able to store the user's personal RFID information on the user's personal RFID card, and it can use to compare one-to-one the information, releasing the integration application of security and convenience for the users, and it meets the government requirements also. Next, we're talking about the communication with the smartphone. As smartphones are a part of our day-to-day life, we actually integrated it as to be your key. So with the C2 Pro series, your phone is your key. So the device is easily able to communicate with smartphones with the help of the Crosscheck's mobile app. This app can be easily found on any of the Play stores. Currently, 2 of the devices, that is C2 Slim and C2 KA, work very, very well with the smartphones. Next one is the mullion designs that the devices have. We specially made this device a very user-friendly and also considered the design. That is, it is very easy to install and at any locations. For example, even on a door frame, the device is sleek and it can be easily installed. Another added feature is the IP65 dust and waterproof. So the C2 series terminals are designed in a way that can be used indoors. At the same time, it can also be used outdoors. PoE easy installation, that is power over Ethernet. The devices come with the PoE function. That is, the device has a single cable that can be used for communication as well as for power. The benefits of the PoE is that it helps you with the cheaper installation cost and also the lower maintenance cost, and also it gives us a lot of simpling cable. Some of the versatile interfaces the devices have. The new C2 series actually has a wide range of I/O interfaces that can easily trigger and integrate with the magnetic locks, doorbells, access controllers, etc. These are some of the features of the specifications of the devices that we have. As I mentioned, we currently have 4 models, that is C2 SR, C2 KA, C2 Slim, C2 Pro. So all these devices, if you look, the C2 Pro supports finger, password, and card. C2 Slim only supports finger and card. C2 KA supports card and password, whereas C2 SR, that is a slave reader, only supports card. All the devices you can check have maximum user capacity of 10,000, and all the 3 series supports PoE, Wi-Fi, and mobile access. Only C2 SR, which is a slave reader, doesn't support these features. Other than that, all the devices support these features. More details are available on our website for you to download, or you can contact SolvIT. They would be giving you the brochure for the devices. C2 series work well in different scenarios. So the device is designed considering the use of the device in the modern business. For example, it can be used easily at a building entrance. In case you're looking for a smart cloud-based work management, the device supports that. It works very well with the cloud management. Parking with the touchless entry, that is the mobile app that helps you with that one. Also, it can be used with on elevators with multi-car technology. Moving forward, these are some of the case studies that I would like to bring into your notice. We have a lot of case studies on our website. If you visit our website, there's a section for the case studies where you can get more information. But there's a few of the examples that we have got here to just show you with C2 series. The first one is about a service provider, how we use C2 Pro and the Crosschex Cloud to connect and work together with 100+ auto chain service stores. The second one is a case study for a system integrator partner where we use the cloud platform for student success integration with C2 Pro again. The third one is how we use the C2 Slim that works in an office space. So moving forward, before I start to the C2 series, W series, I would like to see if you have any questions. You can please mention it into the dialog box and I can answer that. I think we have no questions. If you have any questions, please note it down into the chat room and then Martina will help you answer that. If no questions, I will move forward to the next series. So I think we are clear. So I will be moving next towards the W series. W series is our cloud-based access control and time maintenance devices, which is basically for small and medium modern businesses. We basically call this as our entry-level devices, which comes with a premium design. It can be a part of your workplace. It has a very stylish look, which blends completely with any environment, whether it is medical firm or a gym or an office. The device fits in very well. The device has a 2.4 inches IPS color screen. It has a flat design, a touch button, and it is very easy to install. Some of the outstanding performance of this device is that it is an independent AI engine, BioNano, and it works on the deep learning algorithm. It has 1 gigahertz CPU. Also, the recognition speed is less than 0.5 seconds. And the maximum user capacity of this device is 50,000. The device works on Linux platform. Some key features is that the device supports fingerprint, PIN code, card, Wi-Fi, and it works with the time attendance. The flexible application, the device works very well with the web server. It also works very well with our cloud application. And also you can use this one, the Crosschex standard, achieving more for the complex multiple shifts. The next one is a case study that we have done in India, where one of the companies, that is a logistic company, needed the device to work with different locations. So we used W series. It supports 23 states and 5 union territories. The devices work and they work using our Crosschex Cloud and Anviz Cloud API. Next is our access control device, that is W Pro. It also supports fingerprint, PIN code, card, Wi-Fi, access control, and time attendance. This is showing how the device communicates with the door using a relay and enhancing on the main door where it is communicating with a controller using the vegan out. Third device that we have is the W3 Pro, which is going to be coming soon. The device supports fingerprint, PIN code, card, Wi-Fi, access control, time attendance, and also live face detection. We also have the W1C Pro, which is only a card and password device, which is also available at the moment. It is a time attendance device. So moving forward to the next last part, that is our cross checks. Do you have any questions on this one? So moving forward, we're going to talk about cross-checks. That is our own software. So cross-checks is a professional access control and time attendance management software. It has a very unique features and it is very flexible, user-friendly, and it can be used, and it works very well and can satisfy the small, medium business and enterprises clients' requirements. It is designed for simplicity. That means a variety of useful time and attendance statuses and long-term records enable you to stay on top of your system at any given moment. So you can see that it is easily available. You can see the database, the basics, attendance departments, all these are easily available. The fresh dashboard that we have come up with now, which is very easy and simple. You can see about it how the time and attendance reports are easily visible. You can see the device status. You're also able to remotely open the door using the cross-check standard, and also you're able to create shortcut menus. Next one, the device is very user-friendly and for personal management. So you can see there are new graphical management interfaces, device grouping function. Also, the new personal management interface design allows administrators to inquire personal information faster. We'll be giving a detailed training in case you need any of the training about the software. For now, I'm just giving you a rough idea of what we have on the software, but we have a dedicated technical team that would be happy to provide you a complete training on the software. Next one is about the optimization, personal access and permissions for management. So currently we have up to 16 time zone groups for personalized access permission settings. It is also very easy for you to quick query, add or modify the permissions. It is also flexible for you to change or increase the personal access control permission. Next one is how you can enhance the network for your convenience. That is, it is able to adopt the new network communication. It is able to add up to 500 devices that can be communicated at the same time. Moving forward, the next one is the CrossChecks Cloud, which is a very super quick setup and easy to use cloud software. That means you can manage your time and attendance on cloud without any software. You can access your data anywhere, anytime, from any computer. You're able to track your employees from any locations to see where the employees have clocked in or clocked out. You're also able to view the reports of the employees' attendance and health. Also, you can actually see the shift work times whenever you want. Some of the best features of the CrossChecks Cloud, that it is best in class for scheduling. That means it is very easily, you can set up the attendance rules, you can create and manage employee schedules for all your organization. It has a very powerful dashboard, as I showed earlier for the CrossChecks standard. The CrossChecks Cloud also has a very powerful dashboard. It has a high impact reporting. That means you can easily track and export employees' hours in seconds, which makes you work very easy. Also, it is very easy. That is super easy employees and device management. That means you can easily and quickly set up devices and add, delete, or modify employees or devices. It's just an image which shows how it is easily used. You can clock in using any Anviz device. The employee's attendance would be automatically sent to the cloud, and you will be able to view the reports and the dashboard 24/7 without downloading any software. The next feature is the CrossChecks Cloud, which we actually consider for the employees. That is, which is very flexible for the employees. It is user-friendly for the administrator and also has a very powerful features. So in this, the employees now can access to log in So the employees can see their own attendance, their shift schedules. It has also become easier for the employees to submit for a leave to the administrator, or if they want to change the schedule. Also, it has multiple administration rights and reports. Next is the latest feature that we have, that is the Crosschecks Cloud app. It is for the smart mobile punching and tracking. That is, the employees can GPS remote punch and track their attendance records. You can easily access to the timesheets, and also you can easily check your schedules and then submit requests. Any questions for anyone before I move to the next slide? So moving towards the next slide, we would like to talk to you about the SDK and API for the integrators that we have. That is how we support our integrators. So Anviz provides comprehensive support services for our partners to use the Anviz SDK to develop your own software. In case you have to develop your own software, our technical team will be providing you your SDK and also supporting you during the whole term to create your own software to work with the devices. This is mostly required when you have a project and the integrators need to work with the new software. Also, we have the Crosschecks Cloud API. That is, in case you need to integrate with the third-party systems, and this can provide you with the Cloud API, which would help you modify. So I think I'll wait for the question and answer sessions at the moment now. Hello, Mr. Vedanta, you can actually write your question into the chat room and we can answer that. Mr. Chan, yes, we can show you about the reports. For that, I will actually have to arrange a special technical training for you so that you get all the information about the Crosschecks Cloud and the reports. Also, I see some of the other questions which ask for the product warranty. So the C2 series actually comes with 36 months warranty, which I'll be giving more details about it. Regarding the API, yes, we will be able to do it. Again, I would have a technical person answer this question. So in case you have a query about the payroll and the API, I would request you to write an email and then we would be able to give you a specific answer on this one. When we have a problem, how to work support. So we actually have a dedicated technical team that would be helping you with the technical queries. We are available almost because of the time difference. We are available 5 days a week. And in case you have any queries, you can just send an email and then we'll be answering immediately. Also on our website, you can raise a ticket in case you have some of the technical concerns and we would be answering the questions within 24 hours. Regarding the API, yes, we do provide an API. With the server, the technical questions, I would have the technical team speak on that one. About the software also, there was a question which Martina already answered. Yes, the software is completely free. Again, this answers one of the questions from Mr. Miftari, that why and how we are different. Because of these key features that we support, that our software, if you work with any other brands, there's always a charge for the software, but Anviz has been providing the cloud as well as the standard and the mobile software, all of them for free until now. There's no charges on any of the softwares. So I'll move forward to some of the frequently asked questions at the moment. So it is like, can I install Anviz device plus magnetic lock using only PoE? Yes, because devices have the PoE function, so you can actually use Anviz PoE. Second one is, can I use more than one RFID card type simultaneously for C2 series? Yes, the device reads both the frequencies. It is 125 kilohertz and 13.56 megahertz RFID at the same module. Can I use a third-party software with Anviz devices? Sure, Anviz provides SDKs and APIs for the third-party software integration. Can I manage multiple devices from different offices by the same platform? Yes, with the Crosschex Cloud, you can manage devices from multiple locations. So these are some of the frequently asked questions. I understand you have some queries about these SDKs and APIs. I would request you to drop an email to SolvIT, and then we would assist you on that. We'll have the technical team contact you and give you more details about the APIs and the SDK. Any other queries at the moment? I think Mr. Miftari, if you have anything to speak to the, can you? So I think there's another query from attendees.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, thank you very much, Ned and Martina. Thank you very much for this presentation. And I would like also to thank all the attendees for joining us on this webinar in such a short notice. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna have to say a few things in our own language. So it will be much faster, and so we can move on, because it's the end of the year and we need to move on with our daily tasks. Okay, faleminderit të gjithëve që keni gjetur pak kohë me na bashkangjit në këtë webinar, kaq shpejt me një notifikim shumë të shkurt. Sa I përket Anvizit, përpos pajisjeve, gjëja më e rëndësishme që është e Anvizit është pjesa softverike. Crosscheck ofron një mundësi të madhe të konfigurimit, ku kërkesat e klientit pothuajse 90% duhet mbulon me mënyrën se çysh e konfigurojmë në bazë të kërkesave të klientit. Mirë po, që përmendi edhe zotëria më herët, Anvizi ofron edhe SDK, edhe API, por gjëja më e rëndësishme është që të lejon qasje në databazën e Crosscheckit, e cila është në SQL ose në Access. Ndërsa lejimi I qasjes databazë të SQL-it mundson që softverin që e keni ju ose dikush tjetër që do me integru në payroll ose në HR software që janë, është shumë e lehtë për me integru ata dhe me përdor dhënat e Anvizit, me integru në payroll ose në HR. Gjëja tjetër është se në cloud, shërbimet që janë cloud, zakonisht janë me pare, për arsye se ata e bajnë cloud hosting. Çdo kush që ta mban ti cloudin të hosting, zakonisht chargjit për atë shërbim. Ndërsa shërbimet që janë vetëm si software që instalon ti në kompjuterin tuaj ose në serverin tuaj, zakonisht janë pa pare. Cross-check-u standard, desktop është pa pare, ndërsa në cloud zakonisht janë me pagesa edhe janë monthly payments. Sa i përket konfigurimit të raporteve në Anviz, klientat zakonisht kanë kërkesat çuditshme, mirë po është mirë me u thellu më shumë në konfigurimin e raporteve të Anvizit, edhe pyetjet që i kena për ato konfigurime, do të mas pari me i shfrytzu gjitha mundësit konfigurime që i ofron cross-check-u standard, për konfigurimeve standarde, prandaj me shiku me i bo pyetje, më në me nashkruar ose muë, ose zotërive këtu, preferoj që me më shkru mu, se ndoshta është në diçka që mundeni me u përgjigj na direkt, na shkruni në sales@solvit-sh.p.k për çdo pyetje rreth raporteve, rreth pajisje ose rreth gjëra. Ju falenderoj. Thank you very much, guys. Martina, back to you. And Nick.
Thank you.
Thank you. We just need 5 minutes because we're going to do the lucky draw. I'm just trying to name all the attendees so we can do the lucky draw and we can give the prizes. Just give me 2 minutes, please. Thank you.
If I'm still,
hello.
oh, yeah, just one more thing. If I'm still on,
yes.
I just wanted to mention one more important thing. We have created the language file for the Albanian version. So if somebody wants to install a cross-check standard with Albanian language, we have created that file, and they can present the cross-check standard, create the reports in Albanian language.
Yes, you can send the language file to me. I will ask our R&D team to add the language into our cross-check software so that your customer can use it directly.
All right, we'll do so.
Okay.
So we currently support French, Spanish, English, Arabic. These are some of the languages that we are supporting at the moment. But yeah, we are okay, and we are happy to add in more languages as per the client's requirements. So as I mentioned about the success stories, you can go to our website and you can see success stories from different parts of the world where we have actually installed our devices successfully. Also, how Anviz supports with the marketing. So every year we do global expos. The past 2 years we are not able to do it just because of the COVID restrictions. But we have supported our partners worldwide by providing them the MDF support, and they are exhibiting Anviz at multiple exhibitions from the past 2 years. Also, we do road shows where we go meet our partners and their integrators and then provide them training, certifications, all these things we do every year. And also lastly, we do the training webinar like the one I'm doing currently because of the restrictions of travel. We also do training webinars. So the training webinars can be done for software, for devices, or in case you have a project and you want a presentation to be done from Anviz team, we are happy to do that also. So these are some of the ways that we support our partners. Next is, as I said, the 3 years warranty is that we provide. We also have special offer for the registered projects, that is, you can register in case you have a project, you can register. You can find the link also on our website where you can register the project, and our project team would contact you and support you in all possible ways. Also, we have a global customer service, which is available in English and Spanish language, which is available 24/5. You can also join our Anviz community. It is also available on our website where you'll be able to see some of the functions that you need. We will be sharing files continuously, some of the comments from the customers. So this is also available on our website. So that's all for now. And now we'll be starting the lucky draw that we are going to do for the attendees today. So currently we have 23. So we are going to have so we'll be doing 5 lucky draws today. 4 of them would be a small gift from Anviz, and the last big prize would be a device from Anviz that would be going for the testing. sh.p.k is a device that we'll be getting for the testing. Like, we would send it to SolvIT and you can collect it from there. So let's start the spin for the first winner. No,
I cannot see.
So the first lucky winner is number 11. That is Mr. Agon. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but Mr. Agon, you're the first winner. We'll go for the second spin. So the second prize is for Mr. Miftari. Let's go for the third spin. Again, Mr. Miftari, so I will change it. So I have to redo it because we already had this one done. Number 2, Mr. Burman. Mr. Burman Ademi is the lucky winner. So we have one more for the consolation prizes. Number 5. So congratulations, everybody. We've done for the day. So we have our winners. So the last prize goes to Mr. Bernard. He will be getting the device that is coming for testing. He'll be receiving a sh.p.k. That's all from my end for today. Mr. Miftari, if you have anything else to add in, please do.
That's it. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.